In this video, I'll show you how to short sell stocks on Robinhood, step by step. By the way, if you live in the US and you want to save money for your retirement, I have a free gift for you later in the video. Log in to your Robinhood account by going to robinhood.com and entering your correct credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be on the main dashboard where you can see your portfolio and access different securities. At the top of the screen, click on the search bar and type in the name or ticker symbol of the stock you want to short. As you type, results will appear in the drop-down menu. Click on the correct stock to open its detail page. Here you'll see the current price chart and stock information. On the right-hand side of the screen, locate the Trade button and click on it. From the menu that appears, click on Sell. In the Order panel, make sure the Shares option is selected, then click in the Shares box and enter the exact number of shares you want to short. Double-check the quantity before moving forward. Confirm that the Sell option is selected, so you are initiating a short sale and not buying shares. Then look at the Order Type section in the Order panel and click to choose either Market Order or Limit Order. If you select Limit Order, enter your desired price in the price field. After filling in all the details, click the Review button at the bottom of the Order panel. Carefully check the summary of your order to ensure everything is correct. If it looks good, click Submit to place your short sell order. Now these days, many Americans are looking for alternatives to traditional retirement accounts. But did you know you can legally buy physical gold coins as part of your retirement savings? It's called a gold IRA, and most people don't even know about it. If you want to learn how it works, I've linked a free guide from Augusta Precious Metals in the description below. It's packed with lots of useful information, so check it out. And also, if you want to learn more about Augusta Precious Metals and how they can help you set up a gold IRA, click the video showing up on your screen to watch a detailed review.